sit right here, both legs out, one leg in at a time. That's going to prevent any of you from slipping and falling. When you're on the other side of my wall, and you are down at least 1 or 2 steps, that is when you can take those masks and put them on your face. But not until then. I need you to be able to see clearly until you're in the water. Now, you are wearing a wetsuit. It is not a cold suit. It is not a dry suit. It is a wetsuit. It only works if it's wet. So if you put your feet in this water and you're like, ooh, that's cold, understand, it only warms up when the suit gets wet. So, follow along. The water's cold. I'm going to go right at time on this. And once you are in that water, you can pull that mask down. And you'll still do it. You don't have to hang out with me. You guys have the whole text to yourselves. Alright. Well, I got another pair of the chaperones and all that, so I'm going down here. I can assume that you guys are here in the water just fine. So I'm going to go take my traditional place.
Where's the nose?
这是裹着面腰呢，面腰怎么弄了？
Got the right curly
Char, Char. You gotta go, honey. Come on, sis.
Careful. 你别手快，你别手快。
哎，来这面要不取啥手嘛？哦，那都是取啥？
Let it go.
哎，这是裹着面腰呢，
Don't kick your feet.
知道不咯？
Put your head down, B. Bernie, put your head in. Now all the way down. You got it, B.
cái miệng dao nó trồng cây mồ hôi bà đây nó mình chạy chống cơ liền. Wow, đây là một đó.
Don't kick with your feet. There you go. You're doing great. Stick your head in the ground. There you go.
Yeah. You know, work your way around.
Don't kick your feet, okay? Just work your hands.